pleased to present our assignment about glass manufacturing process. Before we start, let me introduce first about our group members who have worked to complete this project. First, we have Muhammad Haikal Daniel dan Muhammad Farhan Azmi. Next, we have Engku Muhammad Ashraf dan Engku Omar Amiruddin. Third, we have Nurul Atirah binti Azmi. And last, we have Daing Nuridina Afdah binti Daing Shah Iskandar. Glass manufacturing process is a systematic process that involves several well-defined steps to transform raw materials into finished glass products. The main raw materials use silica sand, soda ash, limestone and recycled glass, also known as cullet. Each stage of the process is carefully controlled to ensure the glass achieves the required strength, clarity and manufacturing process. We have 4 steps, which is melting, forming, cooling and finishing.
So I will explain the raw material preparation stage. There are 4 main materials used to make glass. First is silica sand, which is the main ingredient. Second is soda ash, which it helps to lower melting temperature and making the process easier. Third is limestone, which make the glass stronger and durable. Lastly, colored or recycled glass is added to save energy and reduce waste. Before the melting process starts, all these materials are carefully measured and mixed together to make glass has a good quality. Melting stage. After the raw materials are mixed, they are fed into a large furnace. Inside the furnace, the materials are heated to a very high temperature around 1500 to 1700 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the silica sand, soda ash, limestone and colored all mix together to form molten glass. This molten glass has a smooth and even consistency, making it ready for the next stage, which is forming and shaping into a different glass product.
Good morning everyone. Next, I will explain the refining of conditioning stage in the glass manufacturing process. During this stage, the molten glass is kept at a very high temperature. The main purpose is to remove any air bubbles and trapped gases that were formed during the melting process. Removing the bubbles is important because they can weaken the glass and reduce its clarity. The refining process also ensures that the molten glass has a uniform consistency. This means the glass is evenly mixed, resulting in a smooth texture and consistent quality throughout. As a result, the glass becomes clearer, strong, and more durable. This improves the overall quality of the final product of it move to the next stage of manufacturing. So that's all from me. Next, I will explain the forming or shaping stage in glass manufacturing process. At this stage, the molten glass is shaped into different products depending on its final use. There are several common methods used in this process. The first method is blowing, which is used to produce bottles and containers. Air is blown into the molten glass to create the desired shape. The second method is pressing, where molten glass is pressed into a mold to make products such as plates and bowls. Another method is drawing, which is used to produce glass sheets by pulling the molten glass into thin and continuous sheets. Lastly, the float process is used to manufacture flat glass, such as window glass. In this method, the molten glass floats on a layer of molten tin, creating a smooth and even surface. In conclusion, the forming stage is important because it gives molten glass its final shape and ensures that different glass products are made according to their intended purpose. So, that's all for this slide. Thank you.
Annealing. Annealing is a process of cooling the glass slowly in a special furnace called annealing layer. It removes internal stresses that develop during the forming process. This prevents the glass from cracking or breaking easily and improves its strength and durability. After that, we will continue on finishing. Finishing is the final processing stage of glass product. It may include cutting, grinding, polishing, or coating. Quality inspection is performed to prevent any defects such as scratcher, bubble, or crack. Last but not least, we will continue to packaging. Packaging is finished glass product are packed and prepared for the transport. The glass is clean, carefully wrapped with protective materials such as paper, foam, or special to prevent any scratching and breakage. It is then packed into carton or wooden carts, labeled and shipped to the customer. In the conclusion, we will understood that glass manufacturing is step-by-step process that produce strong, high quality and durable glass. Each stage ensure the final product is safe, reliable and ready for use.